Now, after generating the initial codes for the whole focus group and revising the codes, as you can see here, I can move to the third step of the Brown and Clark 6-step framework for thematic analysis, which is generating initial themes. Initial themes are also known as preliminary themes. So how do we do that? Let me show you. What we do is, now we start looking at the meaning that the researcher wanted to find out when asking given question. For shared meaning between different issues, we'll combine those shared meanings between different issues to form themes. For example, how would you define atrial fibrillation? If you right-click and go to code properties, we can add a description here and say how the participants define atrial fibrillation, AF. Again, now I will edit this from a question into how would you define atrial fibrillation. So we can see here the main issue that the researcher wanted to focus on is the subjective definition of atrial fibrillation. So let's click on that. And again, if we make a spelling mistakes, we can always correct that. So it's fibrillation. That's how we revise codes to start coming up with preliminary themes. Let's